Look, end of the day, everybody here needs delivery. They're talking about customer experience. So delivery is a delivery. You still have to pick up from point A and deliver to point B. What we are talking about in DotZot is that it is specifically tailored to our systems, processes, etc., tailored for e-commerce. We understand the business of e-commerce, we understand the nuances of e-commerce, we understand the expectation of the customers, and we have designed our workflow on that. And that is the differentiation. So if you say what are the services, yes, we have a express service, which is our fastest service meant for small parcels. We have a surface service called DotZot Economy, which is meant for bigger, heavier shipments. So we say that we will charge you minimum 10 kg over there because we want to carry only heavier shipments by surface. We also have premium services, which could be same day, which could be AM, PM deliveries, but at the moment these are on pilot basis because we are still looking at how many people in the market really want to have a need for those services, because at the moment the market is in a stage where everything is being offered free by e-commerce companies, and therefore the need for premium services is not so visible currently. Now these have become hygiene factors. I think it's not about just tracking, it is about information flow, because in e-commerce, one of the key differences is that the customer calls up the call center of the e-commerce company, and e-commerce company at that point in time needs to have that information available. So how do you now have that tracking information available real time to the e-commerce company's call center? There could be complaints. How fast can you answer those complaints and resolve them and help the e-commerce companies retain and grow their customers? And that's clearly our objective. So some of the things that you talk about are hygiene factors, and I think we move beyond that now. I think in one word, we are a specialist. And I think that's our USP, because the moment we say we specialize, we think only e-commerce, we understand e-commerce, we realize that the business models will change, we realize the expectations will change, the needs will change, and when these happen, we'll be ready, we'll be faster, we'll be nimbler, because we don't do anything other than this. And that's our unique advantage being part of the DTDC group. We combine the humongous strength of the network strength of DTDC with customized processes, systems and procedures tailored for e-commerce and bring it together as an entire package. So yes, we have, because of DTDC, we have the largest pan-India reach amongst all players. And I think it is very unlike the 2002. This set of people and entrepreneurs who have started, they have much more solid business plans. They're much more savvy, and market is expanding, and you have it will go through its blips, but it's here to stay. We are certainly gung-ho about it and betting on it. Otherwise, we wouldn't start a company exclusively to cater to the e-commerce segment.